Today, we're talking about something most people secretly wonder about, but rarely hear explained properly. Can poor people actually become millionaires? Because if you look around, poverty feels permanent. It feels inherited. It feels like a life sentence. And the common belief is this: if you're born poor, the odds are stacked against you forever. That belief sounds logical, but it's incomplete. Because when you zoom out globally, something strange happens. Millions of people start poor and quietly escape. Not through luck, not through crime, not through miracles. They follow a repeatable system. And the good news is, this system is not secret, but it is misunderstood. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 global strategies that poor people use to become millionaires, backed by real-world examples from different countries. Not theory, not hype, strategy. If you stay until the end, you'll understand exactly where poverty breaks and where wealth begins. Let's start. Strategy 1. They invest in skills, not hope. Most poor people are told, work hard and things will work out. But poor people who escape poverty learn a different rule early. Income follows skills, not effort. Globally, even basic education dramatically changes outcomes. In Vietnam, massive investment in youth education moved millions into stable jobs within 1 generation. This isn't about degrees, it's about market value. Reality check. The internet pays for skills, not backgrounds. Action. Free platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube can teach coding, accounting, digital marketing, design, or trades. One skill can replace 10 years of low wages. Strategy 2. They learn money before they have money. This is where most people lose. Poor people who stay poor believe, I'll manage money once I earn more. Poor people who become millionaires flip it. I must manage money before I earn more. In the US and Europe, families taught basic budgeting. Even on low income, build savings faster and avoid debt traps. Money literacy isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Simple start. Track income and expenses. Cut invisible leaks. Save even 5 to 10%. This habit alone separates temporary poverty from permanent poverty. And here's the reframe most people miss. You don't get rich by earning more first. You get rich by keeping more first. Now, skills and money management are powerful, but without this next one, people still fall back into poverty. Strategy 3. They protect their health, like an asset. Poor health is one of the most underestimated poverty traps. Medical bills pile up, energy drops, focus disappears. Globally, countries with affordable health care, like Rwanda and Canada, see higher productivity and less poverty over time. Poor people who escape poverty understand this. A weak body cannot sustain a strong income. Action: use community clinics, preventive care, exercise and nutrition. Health isn't luxury, it's infrastructure. But even with skills, money control, and health, many people still stay stuck. Why? Because they wait. Strategy 4. They create income instead of waiting for jobs. Poor people who stay poor wait for permission. Poor people who escape poverty create opportunities. In developing countries, micro-enterprises have lifted millions, especially women, out of poverty. Small businesses in places like Bolivia reduced inequality faster than aid programs. This doesn't mean quit your job. It means expand income streams. Action: freelance online, remote work, side hustles, cooperatives. Think global. Earn where value is highest. But income without stability collapses fast. That brings us here. Strategy 5. They stabilize housing before lifestyle. Unstable housing keeps people in survival mode. Rent without strategy drains future wealth. In the US, home ownership programs helped families build generational assets. In Europe, social housing broke poverty cycles. This isn't about luxury, it's about predictability. Action: shared housing, subsidies, saving for ownership, smart renting. Stability creates margin. Margin creates investment. Even then, many people still don't break through. Why? Because success is rarely solo. Strategy 6. They build networks, not isolation. Poor people who stay poor struggle alone. Poor people who escape poverty build relationships. In Africa and India, community-based programs unlock jobs, funding, and education through collective action. Opportunities move through people. Action, mentors, clubs, online communities, professional networks. Your network often matters more than your resume. Finally, there's one uncomfortable truth most motivation videos ignore. Strategy 7. They use systems, not just willpower. Hard work matters, but systems amplify effort. Poor people who escape poverty understand policies, programs, and structures. Universal basic income trials in Kenya increase stability. Fair wages, education investment, and reduced corruption lifted billions globally since 1990. This isn't politics, it's leverage, action, vote, volunteer, support NGOs. Use legal systems designed to help upward mobility. Personal discipline plus smart systems equals escape poverty. So here's the truth. Most people never hear clearly. Poverty is real, but it is not destiny. Across the world, the same patterns repeat. Different countries, different cultures, same strategies. You don't need all 7. You need one applied consistently. Because wealth doesn't start with money, it starts with behavior. If this video shifted your thinking, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which strategy are you starting with? Share this with someone who feels stuck. Because the cycle doesn't end by accident, it ends with you.